What's up, guys? I just wasted like...
Rachel?
Yeah?
Your dog's dying for a piss.
I know, I'm getting ready. I just wasted half my time vlogging when I wasn't even recording. Brilliant. So you missed my dog, but we're going to take it out for a walk anyway. I would edit the pause in between, but I can't because my phone's rubbish. It's not even a phone. Yeah, so we're going to take Molly for a walk. Where's her lead? Gonna put my earmuffs on. Ta-da! Jack Skellington. Yep. So taking the dog for a walk. Take it with me. I'll probably be really quiet because I don't like vlogging in public. Because people look at me weird. Oh, and it's gone dark. Right, let's go. We're here for the dog.
No!
Me and the internet.
You're not taking the dog!
Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Dun dun.
Don't put that on you.
I'm not going to put it on you.
Oh man.
We're here for the dog.
Right.
That's my bum.
That's your bum. Don't use that. Use your detachable one.
Where is it?
On the table.
Aha. Could you?
Don't get her. No. No. Don't get her.
Yeah. Stay still. Where's your, I can't find it. Aha, there it is. Don't move. Don't move.
You hold mine and I'll get yours.
There we go. Come on, let's go get ready. Hello, lovely.
Good girl.
Right, come on. Let's go on a walk.
No, you're not.
Oh, look at you. Come on.
She's so adorable.
What? Right. Purple boots. Come on, Molly. Oh, you're so cute. Look at the nice people. Look at you. Look at you. She got shaved today. She looks so pretty. It's really dark, so you probably won't see me. If you do, enjoy. Oh, it's only 2 minutes on. That feels like ages. That's because I didn't record half of the stuff. Right. See ya. Love you too. We're going on an adventure. Molly, this way, gorgeous. Look at you, beautiful. Oh, you're so cute. She's so adorable. Yeah. We're going to head down to the park, go around once, and then come back. Molly, this way. If you're wondering, she's Bichon Frise. It's French. Don't know what it means. If it means fluffy, white ball of fluffy fluff stuff, then I knew that. Oh, road, Molly. Right, come on, let's go. Oh, run. Haha. Look at her. You should see her in the snow. You can't even see her. She like hops, like a little bunny. It's a fluffy. Oh gosh, here we go. Do Molly. Oh, it looks scary. Look at that. It's like nobody there. Molly, you little fluffy thing. Come on. I can't feel my fingers. I don't think the fingerless gloves are helping. Ugh. Oh boy. I'm so cold. And it's getting really dark. We're leaving humanity behind. Yay. You're so fluffy. Look at you. Look at you and your fluffiness. Molly, say hi to the camera. Molly, yeah. Molly. Molly reminds me of Tobuscus's dog, Griffin. Even though it's not the same species. Well, it is the same, same breed. Obviously, they're the same species, they're both dogs. Or are they? Molly! Oi! This way. Go. Go, doggy. Fly. Red in the rainbow tie. So, yeah, I thought it would be good to go outside. Worst mistake of my life. So cold. There's nothing to do but walk with my fluffy thing. This is quiet though. At least you can hear me. That's good. And I'm not filming the right way. I should be filming that way. But I'm an idiot and I started recording and now it's this way. I'll sort that out. I will start doing it that way if I can. I don't know. Molly! Fluffy thing. Or could I change it this way? Would that work? Is it? No, it's not working. It won't. The thingy won't go. The thingy won't go the other way. What you at? What you at? You're so fluffy. Oh, there's my shadow. Hello. There's your shadow. There. Hello. Oh, you don't want to see that. You quite done? We're just going to have a quick walk because I can't feel my fingers. And I've only been out 2 minutes. I just want it to be summer already, but Scotland never has summer. They just have the sun and coldness because it's Scotland. And it always has to be cold. Woohoo! Brilliant. Lovely. Oh, I almost ran over you. We're not going that way, you silly mutt. I'm sorry. I love you. I love you. You're like so adorable. Oh my god. Oh, so Active Brakes wasn't on. If Active Brakes was on, I would have posted a video, vlogged there, which would have been good. Watch for the hole, Molly. Watch the hole. So yeah. Molly, you're so cute. Look at you. You're so adorable. You're so fluffy. You're so fluffy. Look at you. She's like a little white bunny / dog. Person that just walked past, yeah. She laughs at me. No, she doesn't really. I don't like doing vlogs when there's people from my school about because most of the people there are dicks and they're mean and they make up rumours and shit. Welcome to my life. Not that way, Molly. This way. This way, across the road. We don't want to die now, do we? Ow. Oh. Yeah. Oh, 8 minutes. Lovely. I just realised I say lovely a lot. Don't I? I love you, my lovelies. Alright. Both in sarcasm and other ways. I'm swapping hands. Right. There we go. That didn't work at all. Because my thumb's sore. And Molly, this way. No, leave the foxes. Molly! Molly! Come here, look at the camera. You're so fluffy. Say hello. Say hello. She just waved at you. Molly, say hello. Molly. Say hello. Say hello. No? Right, okay. Nope, not that way. Cold. See, I'm alright. It's just my fingers that are cold. They're the only things that are cold. Yeah. I'm back in the house. Go on, Willie. So yeah. I'm back in. Molly! See you guys later. Oh.